What's up guys, I'm Charles, this is Inform Overload, and it's only 23 days until Christmas. Get excited. As always, don't forget to stick around till the end of the video because I'll be picking some of my favourite comments and responding to them. Pro tip though, if your comment makes me laugh, I'm way more likely to pick it. Anyway, let's get into the video. Lego. So imagine being all the way up in space on your own and being the first person from your country to do that. Kind of exciting, right? But then remember, you're actually out in space, miles away from the rest of your population, in dead silence, all on your own. And then you hear a knocking. Sorry, what? You'd freak out, right? I'd probably just burn my spaceship and everything on it. Just nope. Well, this is exactly what happened to Chinese astronaut Yang Liwei when he was China's first astronaut while orbiting the Earth aboard the Shenzhen 5. Quick question though, yeah? If he's China's first astronaut in space and he's aboard the Shenzhen 5, what happened to the other 4 Shenzhens? Did they just skip them? Did they not make it into space? Like, what's happening here, China? I guess that's another mystery for another day anyway. Whilst aboard the spaceship and orbiting the Earth for 21 hours back in October of 2013, Yang reported he heard a noise similar to a hammer hitting a metal bucket several times throughout his orbit. Similar to someone knocking on the door of a spaceship. But that's not possible, is it? He was on the ship alone and he was in space. There's just no way anyone could have been making that noise if it wasn't him. Kinda spooky. Yang claims he was pretty scared, which is fair, but that he moved around the ship to investigate and even went to the porthole to look outside and see if anything out there could have been making it. Or even worse, trying to get in. The first thing that comes to mind is space ghosts knocking on the door of the ship trying to get in. Maybe it's the spirits of astronauts who died in the past. Regardless, Yang said this happened numerous times during his orbit, and eventually, although he nor any of China's scientists were able to recreate or explain the noise, put the sound down as a normal occurrence. Astronauts from further expeditions have also reported hearing the same noise, and still have been unable to explain it. What do you guys think it could be? Let me know in the comments below, because honestly, I've got no idea. Anyway, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video guys, because now it's time to respond to some of your comments. First up, Josie Beltran said, what's your fave thing about working on Inform Overload? Probably all the cool people I get to work with. Most of them anyway, there's like one or two people that I don't really like working with, like I'm not gonna say. No, I'm kidding. Everyone here is really cool and I love working here, yeah. And then Zayed Alameri said, what would you be doing if you weren't in Inform Overload? Probably just being a bum and traveling the world. Like, I'll probably be broke, traveling, staying in a hostel somewhere, eating really bad food, but it would be fun. But this is fun too, so you know, best of both worlds, whatever. And finally, Jim Carter said, you rock, Charles, nice job. No, Jim, you rock, but thanks for boosting my ego today. That's it for today guys, thanks for watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.